See how cute I am? I'm a cutie pie.
Say hi.
I chew on that hand.
Oh.
Get Daddy out of the video so you don't ruin it.
Oh, hush.
Look at the camera.
Ivy.
Look at the camera.
Say hi.
Look at the camera.
She doesn't like the ring light. Her hair really fast. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I have been trying to figure out what to vlog. I've been feeling like super under the weather and just busy and holidays and everything. So you guys on Instagram were saying like, when are you gonna start vlogging again? So here I am. So today's video, I am just gonna show you guys how I do my hair when I do the beachy wave look. So a few things that you will need is some little alligator clips. These are just the Drybar branded ones. You don't have to get these. I just got them. Husband got them for me for Christmas in my stocking. So I have my hair separated and sectioned out, and then a brush, dropping things, and then a curling iron or curling wand. This is the Hot Tools Professional Curling Wand. I believe this is the 1-inch barrel. And then two things, texturizing spray. So texturizing spray is really important for doing like the beachy wave look, and then a hairspray. So a lot of times the common mistake that I think people make when trying to do that beachy wave hairstyle is they'll use either one or the other, but you need a good hairspray and a texturizing spray to really get that look. At least that's what I do. So let's just go ahead and get started. Show you guys how I do the beachy wave. Beachy waves, which is like my favorite way to do my hair. Set you guys up higher here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just give my hair a good spray with this hairspray. And I am on day 2 hair. I blow dried it really nicely, and so gonna go ahead and start. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna take your barrel. If you're using a curling wand, I recommend using the hand mitts, just so that especially if you've not done it before. And then because the bottom of my hair is so short, I'm just going to carefully just do one wrap around on the strands that will fit. I'm gonna wrap it around the barrel, and then I usually try to hold the barrel like on the hair for like 10 seconds. So I'll count like 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, yada yada yada, and then just take it section by section. The smaller sections that you use, the easier it's gonna be to get a good hold. You can see I'm holding the wand up like this, wrapping and holding the end of my hair with my fingers. And then pulling it down like that. Are you hungry? Mommy will take a break. Take a break and nurse the baby. Yeah. Who's that baby? Who's that baby? Are you mommy's girl? Are you mommy's girl? You are. I love you. I love you. Emmy Boo is riding on a pony, riding on a pony, riding on a pony. Emmy Boo is riding on a pony. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! And then once I get to like the top, like my crown, what I will do is I will do it into a little bit bigger of sections so that it's looser. I'll spray with some hairspray. So I do the texturizing spray last on the top, and then I wrap it pretty tightly around, and then I leave about like 1.5 inches straight at the bottom. It really gives it that like loose, wavy, like tasseled look. So then I'll hold around the barrel for about 10 seconds. And then what I will do is I will just let that lay, and then I'll move on to the next section. And I just do the same thing through the top. Now I'm just making my part like where I normally part my hair, and I'm gonna do these last few pieces. So usually around my face I will do the curls a little more tighter and leave like more at the end. And then I'm just going to take the Sexy Hair Texture High Tide Texturizing Spray. I got this Black Friday. Absolutely love it. It is amazing. Then I'm just going to run my fingers through it like how I want it to look. And then like you can always go back through and like touch up or curls if you need to, like add some definition by doing like alternating looser curls with tighter curls. And then what I'm doing is I'm just taking my little brush here and I'm just going through and so yeah, that is it. That is how I do the, gosh, hair's in my face now, beachy wave, easy tasseled hair look. So I focus the curls around the front and then I just kind of use my fingers, piece it together. Sometimes I'll like clip my bangs off to the side. You guys probably noticed that. If you follow me on Instagram, I clip it over to keep it like out of my face, and it also gives it like this nice little, but you can also just leave it down just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.